Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this, I call it like the classic fall look with the orange and like the rose gold lid. I think it's like very classic and simple for everyone. I did a little twist on it. I added some glitter as you should. But yeah, I like it and it turned out real cute, and I don't have a new lip on today because it is fall, so I'm like, okay, I have brown lipsticks, let me bring them out. Okay, and I like it. It's cute. Okay, I'm warming up to it. All right, but yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, share, turn notifications, and that's basically it, and I will see you in my next look. Okay, so first we're going to start off by priming my eyes, and I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 00. And I had used the white one because I was going to do a different look, like with some light blues and greens, but I don't know what happened. I ended up with yellow and orange as usual, but it still turned out cute, so that's okay. So the first palette we're going into is the BPerfect palette, and I'm taking that mustard color as usual. And you see I'm hitting pan on it. Like, I swear I just got the palette a month ago, but that mustard color is so bomb. Like, I'm going to need to find another single shadow just like that. I don't know where I'm going to get it from, but I'm gonna have to find one because when I get done with that one, it's gonna be so sad. But back to my eyes, okay? I'm just taking this shade and packing it in the middle and blending. And the color is so pigmented, like it really takes nothing. It's just bomb, okay? Next, we're going into the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking the orange out of there. And this is a palette I don't really use a lot because it just tends to make all the looks look the same. Like every time I use that palette, all my looks turn out the same way. So I really don't use it. It's like a repetition of the same colors just with different undertones in it. That's what it seems like to me. So I really don't use that palette a lot unless I'm using that orange out of there. That's about it. And I'm just placing it in my crease and blending upwards. Like this look is really, it was really simple and easy. Like I didn't do too much. I didn't add too many colors. It is fall, so my looks, they might get a little easier to do, so to say. I don't think they be hard. I think I just be adding a lot of colors, but summer is over, so you probably won't see so much of that. And as usual, I am going in with black shadow. And you can use any black eyeshadow you have. And this is just what I normally do. I put black in crease. Again, for me, it defines my crease even more. And I'm just going in with my Coastal Scents. I do not know the name of this brush, but it's like a pointed, fluffy brush, if that makes sense. And it just fits directly in your crease. And I'm going in with the Real Techniques. I think it's the base brush, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. But I'm just going in to blend everything out. Like I use that pointed brush to put the color in the crease, but I go in with a flatter brush to blend it. Okay, and I'm going back in with the second brush I use with the orange in it. And I do the, I don't know what method it's called, But when I do my crease colors, I tend to always go back in with the first brush that I used with the second color on it to blend out the crease color. I don't know why, it's just a habit. I don't think it's really necessary, but I just do it. I think it kind of helps the colors mesh well together. Okay, next for the lid, I am going in with the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm taking that rose gold color that you just saw, and I'm going back in with the same concealer shade Fair 00 from ColourPop to cut my crease. And the Morphe brush I'm using is, I think, the M187 it should be. I go back and forth between either this brush or the flat brush I'm using in my brush set. Okay, and I'm just going to put that rose gold shade all over my lid, at least halfway anyway, and leave the outer corner blank as usual. It did take a while for me to build up this color. I don't really use that rose gold shade a lot in that palette. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm not really big on light colors, as y'all know. So I don't know. That's probably why. But I used it today and it was cute. I had to put some glitter on it for me to like it. It was cute by itself, but I needed something more. Okay. And as usual, I'm just going in with black. I always smoke my outer corner out with black. Again, it's another habit of mine. I just think it gives the look a little edge, so to say. Yeah, that's what it is. Black for me, it gives the look more of an edgy look. There you go. Okay. And I am going to take a little bit of orange. You're not really going to see it because I'm going to put glitter there. But it's just going to blend into a black a little bit. But it does matter. You don't have to do that step, okay? But can we talk about my brows? Like, I haven't been doing any looks really. I don't know. I just haven't been in the mood. I haven't been coming out about one or two. But my brows been coming out so popping. I don't know what I've been doing differently, but they've been real cute. Okay? Real cute. And I forgot to put primer on. I don't know how my foundation and everything still came out bomb. Because I did spray the Mario Pedescu, so that might have helped, but I didn't realize until afterwards. I was like, I forgot to put primer on, but it was too late by then. So I don't know, like that Mario Rescue spray got something in it, and I used the cucumber one. Okay, and I am just taking the NYX matte liner as usual, and I'm just making a little small line. It's not big because I do have hoodie lids, so I can't make it too big anyway. Yeah, and this tutorial is just all over the place, but it's okay. Okay, so the glitter I'm taking is from Touch of Fany Cosmetics. It's their chunky glitter. And I don't know the name of it because they don't have names on the containers, but they are really cute. And this one is like a mixture of burgundy and browns. Yeah, that's basically what it is. It has a little bit of gold flakes in it. And I just placed it on the outer corner in the middle. And I did for the adhesive the NYX Fix It Medium. So for my under eye, I'm basically just doing reverse method as usual. But the only thing I'm doing differently is adding a brown. And then I'm going to go in with the orange and the yellow. Oh, and I did smudge a little bit of black in the outer corner, just a little. Okay, and I'm taking that same glitter and I'm placing it in the middle of my under eye. Yeah. And I'm just adding a little bit, not a whole lot. I just wanted something there. I don't know why, like I didn't need it, but I just wanted it there, okay? I feel like I haven't used glitter in I don't know how long, so I kind of just put glitter everywhere today. So for my inner corner, I am using the BH Cosmetics Spotlight. No, it's the Blacklight Highlight Palette, and it has a yellow and a green in there. It's like a really light yellow and a really light green. You really can't see it. They end up really being just like white. So that's what I put in my inner corner. And for my highlighter, I'm taking the Juvia's Place like you just saw. And this one is in Royalty 1. I usually use this color to bronze with, but I decided to use it for actual highlight today. And it turned out cute, but I am going to place another lighter highlighter on top of it so everything can pop together, okay? And here comes the Couture Jackie Aina Little Peach, which is my favorite. So I just put it on top and it made everything look real pretty and, you can see my highlight from China. All right. And I did add a little bit of blush, and the blush isn't pink. It has somewhat of a orange undertone to it. Yeah, it's like a burnt bronzy orange color. So I added a little bit of it. So for the lips, I'm just lining my lips with the NYX Lip Liner. And this is either, I think this is the brown lip liner I use. I usually use either a nude truffle or espresso, but I think I used the brown today. And I'm just going to line my lips. And I'm also going to take the NYX. I forgot what it was called. It was some type of lipstick. It wasn't a collaboration. Ugh, I cannot think of the name of it. But the color is called Metallic Warm Bronze or something like that. And it's like a deep brown. It's not a chocolate, but it's like a deep brown though. And I thought that was really cute for this look. And yeah, I know I don't wear no other lip color but nude. But I decided to put that on though. And it made it real cute or whatever. Okay. Yep. And that's basically it for this tutorial. And I hope you enjoyed and I will see you in my next look.